Hi everybody, welcome back to the Harvest Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily edit the sign language zoom in your Samsung smart monitor. First go to the left to the control panel and scroll to the settings. Go to all settings here and now scroll down to the general and privacy. Open up and go to the accessibility. Here scroll almost all the way down in these settings to the sign language zoom settings. Open up and here we do have sign language zoom. We can enable that and here we will see edit sign language zoom. Click OK and up, and as you can see with the going up and down you can modify the placement. By clicking we can increase the size of it the right, and by pressing and holding we can prolong it or just change. As you can see it works like that. To exit just you can click the home button to go to home. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!